Welcome to Public Speaking with Peter George. This is a Quick Bites episode. Public speaking tips and techniques you can digest in 5 minutes or less. I'm Peter George, public speaking trainer, speaker, and award-winning author of The Captivating Public Speaker. In this episode, you're going to learn about the ultimate goal of every presentation you give. Transformation. Not information, not entertainment, not even inspiration by itself, but genuine transformation. Here's a question that should guide every presentation you create. How will my audience be different after hearing me speak? Not what will they know, but how will they be different? That's the difference between information and transformation. Too many speakers focus on delivering content. They think their job is to teach, explain, share data. But your audience can get information from books, videos, and articles. What they can't get from those sources is the unique combination of insight, inspiration, and actionable guidance that leads to actual change. That's what you provide. You don't just inform, you transform. So what does this look like? It can be cognitive. Your audience sees something from a completely new perspective. It can be emotional. They feel differently, inspired, emboldened, moved to care. It can be behavioral. They can do something differently, implement a new habit, or take a specific action. The most powerful presentations create all three. You change how people think, feel, and act. Here are 5 steps to help you do this. Start with clarity. Before crafting your presentation, complete this sentence. After hearing me speak, my audience will... Now be specific. It's not, they'll be more motivated. It'll be, they'll know exactly how to have that difficult conversation they've been avoiding for months. That outcome becomes your North Star. Every element of your talk should point to it. Make it personal. Your audience must see themselves in the transformation. Use stories that mirror their experiences. Speak their language. Address their specific challenges. When they think, yeah, that's me, then they're ready to change. Create urgency. Why does this transformation matter right now? What's the cost of waiting? If people leave thinking, interesting, maybe someday, you've informed them. If they leave thinking, I need to act on this now, you've transformed them. Provide a clear path. This is where most speakers fall way short. They inspire, but they don't equip. Your call to action must be immediate and concrete. Not, think about improving your communication. But instead, tomorrow morning, before you check your email, schedule the one conversation you've been avoiding. Remove the barriers. What's stopping your audience from taking action? Address it directly. Fear? Give them courage. Lack of skill? Give them technique. Uncertainty about where to start? Give them step 1. Here's the truth. Information speakers are replaceable. Thousands of people can deliver similar content. But transformation speakers are indispensable because they don't just deliver content, they facilitate change. For your next presentation, identify the specific transformation you want to create. Write it down. Then ask of every element, does this serve the transformation? Or is it just interesting? Remember, your audience doesn't need another speaker who informs. They need someone who transforms. Be that speaker. Thank you for devouring another Quick Bites episode of Public Speaking with Peter George. Are you ready to be calm, confident, and credible every time you speak in public? Then check out petergeorgepublicspeaking.com and let's make it happen.